Hello students, let's talk about the information view. So the information view consists of the description of information handled in the IoT system. So as I told you that which type of information is need to be handled is important here, and the way this information is handled in this system, in the other words, the information life cycle and flow. So these all things comes in a information view whenever IoT architecture, reference architecture is designed. So in the information view is consist of information description, information flow and life cycle, and information handling. So in that case you will find that what are the information description and means which type of information we are going to deal with is that case. So for example, if we have the devices which contains some SSID and passwords of the Wi-Fi, and these we need to be captured, and along with the information of the sensors data, then this type of information is very crucial, and this should come in very secret mode till it get at the server. And another thing is the information flow and life cycle. So how the information will be flowed in an IoT architecture, it is important, and how the information can be captured, and at what time and till what time the information should be captured on our servers. That is need to be understand, and that is need to be defined. Information handling. So basically how the data, all the data and information will be captured on a system or the reference architecture, and how we should understand and handle the information. So there are many users, those who want in this information, and we can use this information to provide some useful things to the users, and that can be used in a commercial way also. So we should use the information in such a way, right? So another thing which is important here is information handling. And now let's so in that case, in information view we generally go with all type of the data and handling of the data in a information architecture, IoT architecture, and we just put all the data on a single things, right? So as a point of the industry, we should understand that how we can manage this type of information, because it is a crucial part. So here is a information enrichment process. Here you can see some of the blocks, and because it is somewhat related with computer science, so electronics students may found some difficulty in understanding all these things, while I am here to discuss with you. So there is a value and value container, and value container contains the data, and this value contains so there are so many data and of the same type. For example, I have taken the example of the gas sensors. So we are getting the data from everywhere, and this has some value, and it has the value container, and this value container are defined in a these all things are given to the metadata. Here you can see the metadata, and all the data is captured in this metadata, and then it is provided to the other things like service description and service processes. And then service descriptions is provided here, means the data is segregated and implemented in the service, and this data is segregated accordingly, means at what location, from which location the data is coming, and which type of data is coming. So all this type of the data is defined here. Now the metadata is then processed, and then it is defined in different type of entities and attributes. So all the attributes and entities are taken over here, and are come in the process of information enrichment process. So it is about the figures, about the justice we have seen, and above figure shows the devices equipped with sensors transform changes in the physical properties of physical entities of interest into electrical signals. Okay, these electrical signals are transformed in one or multiple values. So figure A shows this on the device level, and then these values are then enriched with the metadata information such as in units of measurement, timestamp and all, and possibly location information. I have told you that location information is needed over there. These enriched values are offered by software component resources such either on device or the network. The resource exposes certain IoT services to formalize access to this enriched information. Okay, so these all things are there when we say about the information view. So thank you for this lecture. In my next lecture I will tell you about other things. Thank you.